was great to be here at Raise Summit in 2026, speaking to some of the largest AI infrastructure providers in Europe.
We get to meet with a lot of prospects and a lot of cutting-edge technologies that are bringing new services to market using AI Factory as a background and technology.
What an amazing time this past week, being at the epicenter of what's going on in AI networking. There are so many cool vendors here, so many smart people to talk to, and what a blast I had, and also with the Netris team, getting to really dig our teeth deep into what's going on in this industry. What an exciting time. Looking forward to the next one real soon.